Ever wondered if Xero can actually send money? Like actually transfer funds between your bank accounts and your clients? It seems like a basic function, but with accounting software, things can get a bit complicated. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth about Xero and money transfers. First things first, Xero itself doesn't directly transfer money. It's not like a digital wallet or a payment processor. Xero is primarily an accounting software. Think of it as the brain of your financial operations. It tracks your income, expenses, invoices, and keeps your books in order. But here's the catch. Xero integrates with a lot of other financial tools. This is where the magic happens. Xero plays nicely with payment gateways. These are the platforms that actually handle the money transfers. Popular options include Stripe, PayPal, Square, and GoCardless. You can connect these gateways to Xero, and when you create invoices in Xero, you can often include payment buttons. Customers then pay through the gateway, and the transaction is automatically recorded in Xero. Banks. Xero can connect with many banks, allowing you to import bank transactions directly into your Xero accounts. This helps you reconcile your accounts and keep your financial data up to date. Payroll providers. If you use Xero for payroll, it can integrate with payroll providers to process employee payments and automatically record those transactions in Xero. So, while Xero doesn't directly transfer money, it acts as the central hub that connects you to the tools that do. It streamlines the entire process by automating data entry and providing a clear picture of your cash flow. Let's break down how this works in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer. You use Xero to invoice your clients. You can connect Xero to Stripe, a popular payment gateway. When you create an invoice in Xero, you can include a Pay Now button linked to your Stripe account. Your client receives the invoice and can easily pay online. Here's what happens behind the scenes. The client pays through Stripe. Stripe processes the payment and deposits the funds into your bank account. Stripe sends a notification to Xero about the successful payment. Xero automatically records the payment against the invoice, updating your accounts receivable and cash flow. This seamless integration saves you tons of time and reduces the risk of errors. No more manual data entry, no more chasing down payments, and no more worrying about mismatched records. But wait, there's more. Xero offers some powerful features to help you manage your cash flow effectively. Bank reconciliations. Xero makes it easy to reconcile your bank accounts with your Xero records. This helps you identify any discrepancies and ensure that all transactions are accounted for. Cash flow forecasting. Xero provides tools to help you predict your future cash flow. This allows you to make informed decisions about spending, investments, and overall financial planning. Reporting. Xero generates a variety of reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports give you valuable insights into your financial health and help you identify areas for improvement. Now, let's address some common questions. Can I directly transfer money between my bank accounts within Xero? No, Xero itself doesn't facilitate transfers between your own bank accounts. You would typically use your online banking platform for this. Can I use Xero to send money to other people? Not directly. Xero is primarily for business transactions. For personal transfers, you would use services like Venmo, Zelle, or your bank's online transfer options. Is Xero secure for processing payments? Yes. Xero integrates with reputable payment gateways that employ robust security measures to protect your financial data. Xero is not a payment processor itself, but it seamlessly integrates with a wide range of tools that do. This makes it a powerful platform for managing your finances, streamlining payments, and gaining valuable insights into your business's financial performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.